Okay guys, we're in Mahaica Creek. Welcome to Jaden channel, and we're going to catch some fish today. So I have my brother here, so he's gonna catch a fish. I don't know if we're gonna get anything, but I walk with a knife and a basin. So join me today. So we're going to catch some fish today.
Alright guys, we are making our way to the fishing ground. See what we go get here today. And this is the first throw we're gonna make. Let me see what we go catch in here. You can see in the net, fish is already in the net. Now you gotta work the grasses, then pull the net down so we can get the fishes. This is the farm around here, what my cousin have. And from here going up is the rice you could see. This is my place. This is my place, so as you could see all the rice they have on here. From here to right up to the company at the top, like 1200 rods from here. Let me see this guy again with his net. What we gonna get for the first throw. Boy,
Whoa!
you look at this. Asa.
In the net.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Here we go. This is the first throw.
Hey, we gotta get a bucket for it. Then I'll jump over.
Let me see what we get. Let me see what we get here. Oh, we get a lot of patwa, hasa. David is already ready over there with his bucket to pick up all his fish.
What did you pay? Yeah. Ooh. Look at this. It's a patwa. I make sure I'm gonna clean this. Why is my brother catching the fish? So I'm gonna go home later. I'm gonna show you when I start frying this fish. I forgot to walk with the scissors.
Pick up and cricket.
You know, our scissors don't cause anything better.
We are still trying to catch some fish. We did not catch anything much as yet. We still do some more fishing here. See if we will catch anything. We are in the farm here, my cousin farm. And he allowed us to throw in this fish pan here. Because we went and fished at the back and we didn't get any fish. So we went some Mahaica Creek here. Alright guys, we come back from Mahaica Creek now. We're back home. So we get some fish and we are going to make a fish curry with it. Some of the fish that we caught, some hassa, some patwa, some other fish. So what we're gonna do, we're going to the backyard and we're gonna make some fish curry and rice. This is the fish that we catch in Mahaica Creek today.
Okay, I came back from Mahaica Creek and this is the hassa that I'm washing here and cleaning. But I'm so tired. I have some parts and so I'm going to cook a little mix here today. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hassa properly and I think my brother going to cook it for me because I'm so tired. He had his jandy and his jandy finished. He had fast. So we decided to go catch some fish. And this is some fresh hassa. So he's gonna cook it on the fireside for me today. I'm gonna put my lime. And I work with a lot of salt in the bag. Thinking, catch a lot of fish. So it's the same salt I'm gonna pour. I have more hassa to clean. Inside here I still have a lot more hassa to clean. And okay, I finished wash my hassa and I will wash it properly. I tried to help out because I told you I'm tired, so my brother gonna cook, but I tried to help him out. So I have the onion, the garlic, a little fresh seasoning from the backyard. I have 3 wee pepper, my masala, my jeera, and my curry powder. So we try to make it easy and put everything in one. So I also have some tomato. I have some tomato paste. And I'm gonna bring out my shallot later, I forgot about it. So I make everything to make it easy. So I have my okra here. I didn't have no mango, but I put a karayla. Usually in the channel, you always hear we put karayla. And I have a coconut milk here. We're gonna add that. So I think my brother gonna take over and he's gonna start cooking the hassa.
Now we add the curry powder, the masala and the jeera to the onion and garlic. Also the green seasoning is there. You let that cook for a while. We add a little water to the masala. Now we put the tomato paste. We add a little tomato paste inside. And we cook it up, we mix it up a little. And after that we go add my hassa to it. We are going to add the hassa to the masala now. We have some small patwa also in between. So it's not really everything is hassa. We have some other sweet water fish in between. Add some salt, like 1.5 tablespoons of salt for taste. We also add a piece of cubing salt. Stir it up properly, mix it up well, and let it cook so that the masala can go into the hassa. So the hassa is finished bunje with the masala and everything, all the seasoning. So now we are adding some coconut milk to it. So we finish add the coconut milk. We're throwing some shallot and some tomato and also some okra and karayla. We didn't have no mango, so we used the karayla. On the other side we have some rice is boiling there too. So for dinner today we have hasa curry with rice. So we go turn this up a little and we will leave it to cook. Alright guys, this is the hasa we catch at Mahaica Creek today. Straight from the Mahaica Creek trench, the pan, straight into our kahari. Now we have it in our plate in the next hour from now. Guys, if you like this video, you can please subscribe. This is from Jaden's Kitchen. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.